Let's try apple. Apple. Oh, good boy. You like apple, huh? Good boy. Okay, what else? This one, grapes. Maxi grapes. You don't like grapes? Okay, let's get apple. Apple. Maxi, apple. So Maxi loves apple so much. Okay, you want some apple? You don't like it no more? What do you want, Maxi? Oh, apple. Ah, you don't like the apple with peel. So he doesn't like the peel. Oh, here's one, Maxi. Oh, that's good boy. What is that, Max? Good boy. Good boy man na si Maxi. So we just got him toys today because he doesn't like to be bored. Here's your